Introducing the WhizGear Magnetic Air Vent Mount. This magnetic air vent mount keeps your phone conveniently near you in your vehicle while securing your phone safely. Inside the box, you will find one vent mount and 3 magnets. If your phone has a case, you can simply place one of the magnets between your cellular phone and its case. The strong magnet will keep your phone attached securely to the mount. You may also secure your phone using one of the 2 magnets with adhesive backs. As you see here, the mount has 2 sizes of prongs for different sized car vents. Simply insert the mount into a vent. The magnetic mount holds your phone safely and securely. The magnet makes attaching and removing your phone easy and convenient.
A pop socket is an expanding piece of magic that sticks to any device. Pop sockets will improve your experience with your phone or tablet by providing secure, comfortable grips for texting with your friends, snapping high-quality photographs, taking stable, one-handed selfies, playing games, and reading a book or shopping on your tablet. Pop sockets serve as convenient stands for reading your texts and emails, chatting with your friends by video, watching your favourite clips on YouTube, and surfing the web. Pop sockets can be repositioned again and again. If they get dirty, you can rinse their bottoms to make them strong again. Pop sockets convert large phones into one-handed devices by allowing your thumb to move around to the front of the phone where it belongs. With pop sockets, you'll never drop your phone again. You can use a pair of pop sockets to clip your phone to your laptop screen for convenient viewing, or to keep your earbuds untangled and ready when you need them. You can even use a pop socket to mount your phone on your dashboard with our Pop Clip companion product. Your pop socket will snap easily into your pop clip, not just in the car, but on nearly any vertical surface. One pop clip on your dash, one at your office, one in the kitchen, and one in the crapper will make you a better, happier person. Are pop sockets addictive? Yes, a team of Swedish neurologists is currently searching for a cure.